What's the meaning of conversationalist? Conversationalist. Conversationalist.
Conversationalist. Conversationalist. A conversationalist is someone who is skilled at engaging in conversations with others. They are able to communicate effectively and make people feel comfortable during the conversation. A good conversationalist is knowledgeable on a variety of topics, can listen actively, and respond appropriately. They also know how to balance the conversation by giving others an opportunity to share their thoughts and ideas. Being a conversationalist requires social skills, empathy, and the ability to read nonverbal cues. Ultimately, a conversationalist aims to create a positive and enjoyable experience for everyone involved in the conversation.